Good day, future our crimes. Ito pala yung Q&A flashcards natin for evidence. Sa video na to, 2 questions ang sasagutin natin. What is confession at what are the requisites for the admissibility of a confession? So, what is a confession? Confession is a declaration of an accused acknowledging his or her guilt of the offense charged or any offense necessarily included therein. Confession ay pag-amin sa ginawang krimen. Para maging admissible sa court yung confession, ano naman yung mga requisites? First, it must involve an express and categorical acknowledgement of guilt. Example, sabi ni Pedro, ako ang bumaril kay Juan. Second, facts admitted must be constitutive of a criminal offense. Dapat yung sinabi niya ay isang krimen. Doon sa sinabi ni Pedro, pwede na ang crime na commit niya ay homicide, parricide, or murder, depending on the other circumstances of the case. Third, it must have been given voluntarily. So kung yung confession ay pilit o may nag-threat sa kanya na mag-confess, then the confession is not admissible. Fourth, it must have been intelligently made, the accused realizing the importance or legal significance of his act. Si Pedro, nung umamin siya sa krimen, dapat alam niya yung consequences ng pag-amin niya. Dapat alam niya na makukulong siya. Fifth, there must have been no violation of Section 12, Article 3, 1987 Constitution. It is about the right to remain silent, no torture, etc. Dapat complied ito. 6. It must be in writing and signed by such person in the presence of his counsel or in the latter's absence upon a valid waiver and in the presence of any of the parents, elder brothers and sisters, his spouse, the municipal mayor, the municipal judge, district school supervisor or priest, or minister of the gospel as chosen by him. Yan lahat ang requisites para maging valid ang confession. Follow us for more.